One of the questions we get a lot is, how do I create an email address in cPanel? So let's show you how to do it. First thing you have to do is go to WebEasyHosting.com and click on the link for cPanel. Once you click on that, you will log into your cPanel. And once you're in cPanel, you will go to this icon here that says email accounts. As you can see, I've already got a couple of them set up here, but we're going to go ahead and create one. First thing we're going to do is select the domain that we want to create the email address for. I'll go ahead and choose this one, and we're going to call this one Mail to Us. You put in the name that you want to use, and then you give it a password. Put it in the second box. There is a password generator here. This password generator will create very complex random passwords. I do actually suggest that you use it. Make sure that you write it down. Weak passwords on your email is the fastest way to have your account compromised. So you definitely want to use something that is complex. As you can see, the default password I use scores 98 out of 100. I would suggest you keep that at least 70. Once you have that entered, go ahead and hit create account, and your address has been created. To set the address up in your mail program, you will want to come over here on the right hand side and click the down arrow next to more, and then configure email client. And when you scroll down a little bit, these non-recommended settings, don't pay any attention to the not recommended. The SSL settings would require that you actually have an SSL certificate on your domain. But just highlight and copy this information right here, like this, and then paste it into a Word doc so that you can enter it into your mail program later. Once you have that pasted in there, save it as mail settings or whatever it is you'd like to save it as, and then you can move on to setting up your mail program. If for some reason your issue has not been resolved by this fix, or you have other questions or issues that need to be addressed, here are the ways that you can get a hold of us as always, and we will do our best to get it taken care of for you.